In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the free transform tool. The free transform tool helps you freely shape and reorganize any shape that exists. Now, using the shape tool, I'm going to make this a star. And as you can see with the selection tool, I can already resize this and I can adjust it in a variety of different ways, as well as I can use the direct select tool to select individual points and to move those around to be able to restructure this shape bit by bit to make it into what I want. Now, if I wanted to make this slant really quickly though, I can use the free transform tool. Unlike Photoshop, the free transform tool has its own tool. And in the tools palette, it looks like a move cursor with a bounding box. And when I click on the free transform tool, I'm going to get a couple of other tools. I can unlock it. I can do free transform as a whole, or perspective distort, or free distort. Now, each of these has their benefits. As you can see, I can go about, I can rotate and resize just as I would with the selection tool. But with the perspective warp tool, you can see that I can make one size smaller and kind of distort things as a group. And it's moving all the anchors in perspective of each other. Similar with the free distort tool, I can grab one anchor and stretch it out more than the other anchors to get them to warp together as a group in relation to how I am warping each of the bounding box anchors. A neat aspect of the free transform tool is that if I create a couple of shapes, so I have both of these stars, and I think I'm going to add just two more around. There we go. If I use the selection tool to select multiple things, I can come to the free transform tool and I can transform them all as a group, as well as distort them all as a group. Something to note though is that it kind of wants to auto group them together. So if you want to go back to moving them individually, you can either click into the group and edit them, or you can ungroup them by selecting the group and then going to right click ungroup, object ungroup, or using Command Shift G to ungroup them. And that will unlock them so that I can move each of these around individually. So that is the free transform tool.